Okay, so I'm going to show you how to configure the Hacking Flash web GUI. Maybe a little confusing to some of you. As you see, the usage section is a bit much, but we can break it down into a few things. Okay, so let's say, I don't know, you want to create a cheat. Say we put our name in here, whatever it is the end user is going to see. The game name for our instance, we're going to use Stick RPG Complete Hacks or whatever, it doesn't matter. And then we go to 0.4, author name, whatever it is your name is, if you want to take credit for it, whatever, it doesn't matter. Any specific details you want the person to know about, and the help link is just something to help a person if they're confused and they're complete fucking retards. You can send them to that link. And that will just send them to the, I'll just be that, having problems link. Will just be the script link. Oops. Okay. So we have our first cheat. We put in our code, JavaScript, just like it would appear, in the browser, like when you type it in the fucking HTTP entry. JavaScript document embeds. Instead of using embed 0, you gotta use embed num dot value. The reason for that is because the person has to enter in their ID number, the embed ID number. It makes it a little more flexible, you know, in case there's like Flash AdWords and shit that come before it. So yeah, we put in that set variable cache. This is just for Stick RPG. And so put in cheat menu. This is cheat menu settings, like the way it looks and shit, the height, positioning, the z-index, border, blah blah blah. It's gotta be done in CSS. Same goes the cheat menu link, which is what you see here. It's the cheat menu link. And if you want to add a hack, gotta remember that comma. If it's not the first array, if it's not the last array in the entry, you gotta remember that comma. Alright, and then you gotta go down here because you're not done yet. You gotta go all the way down here. And I've already done it for us. But basically, to add a cheat, use this. You just copy and paste. Copy it and paste it. And you gotta change the X in the cheat name array to whatever it is the array number is. For our instance, we're going to use 4 because the array starts at 0, and so 4 is going to be the 5th cheat number. And the same goes for here. And let's save it and check it out. So we're going to use just whatever. Stick RPG complete hacks. We're just going to use Stick RPG as the example. So pop it open. Stick RPG complete hacks version 0.4 by CFace. And the user can use, if they don't know what the embed number is, the embed ID, they can use the find embed IDs tool, in which case it's 0 here. So that's fine. So we give him max cache and it worked. There you go. And fifth cheat, bam, fifth cheat entry. You can use whatever JavaScript you want. It doesn't matter. And that's about it. If you're still confused, check out the usage section on the page. It pretty well explains everything better than I could, so yeah.